Now, in today's class, we will discuss problems caused by unemployment. There are two types of problems caused by unemployment. One are economic problems, and the other category of problems is social problems. Now, economic problems caused by unemployment are as under. Number one, non-utilization of manpower. When people are unemployed, manpower resources of the country are not utilized properly. It is a sheer wastage of the society. Second one is loss of output. Unemployed persons only live as consumers and not as producers. They are a burden on productive workers because they do not add anything to GDP. Number third one is decline in capital formation. Unemployed people who only add to consumption neither earn nor save. Therefore, capital formation remains low. Fourth economic problem caused by unemployment is low productivity. Due to disguised unemployment, there is a low level of productivity which implies lesser surplus for future growth. Now then there are social problems. In social problems, first one is low quality of life. Unemployed people cannot consume as much as they need, hence their quality of life is low. Second one is greater inequality. Due to unemployment, there is inequality in the distribution of income and wealth. In such situations, there is not social justice. Third social problem is social unrest. Due to unemployment, there is inequality in the distribution of income and wealth. Now, social unrest. Unemployment causes self-desperation, which invites terrorism and other social evils like gambling, theft, etc. Now, fourth social problem caused by unemployment is class struggle. Unemployment divides society into haves and have-nots. As a result, there is a class conflict which creates social turmoil. Now, some suggestions to solve the problem of unemployment in India. Now, we can solve the problem of unemployment in India by increasing the sphere of production. Number two, by increasing the level of productivity. Number three, high rate of capital formation. Fourth suggestion is help to self-employed persons. Fifth suggestion is educational reforms. In educational reforms, we should provide vocational education to students so that they will become skilled. Sixth one is scientific techniques of production. Seventh suggestion is to create cooperative industries. And the eighth suggestion to remove unemployment is importance to employment programs in plans.